Ari. I'ma pick somebody. Go to channel. Go to channel. Everybody subscribe to Pan. Let me subscribe to you with noties on. Guys, keep on spamming sub in the chat right now. And if you donate,
I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one to trust. Together we do whatever it takes. We're in this pack for life. We're wolves, we own the gun.
Banda, jag bullar mula, lavendar vet jag. Och my G's locked in, bonen är kassa. Me for the nightlife.
Greets back to me versus the world again. It is I, Cell Mr. Dinosaur Thomas Gr. Here I am in Hyde Park, Leeds, so I'm doing my rainbow card again. This is a demo of Baldi Basic in Education & Learning. Still not him no more. Plus I added a little bit of twist. So last time it was a full testimony. Now it's last Lone Wolf's turn to get dropped. But I know he's in London working full time. Because his thick of it memes almost ended his two-face leadership career from 25 underdog subscribers & followers to 1 million subscribers & followers. Now that's a huge two-face leadership career crash out. So he worked to fulfill his loan of bills. But Lacey could be the dumbest person ever existed because he invited my biggest fans, the Crybaby Siren Head Coconut Crabs, as known as their real name NPLAYTIME of Kite Surfing & NPLAYTIME of Neferpitu Mikey to join his garbage live stream. But things took a turn for the worse while he was trying his best to beat Baldi Basic while he's at work but failed miserably according to his useless plan. So here I am at Bear Bears trying to fish him out. Oh, by the way, he requested me to do a rainbow card. There he is. Bear Bear is on his way to my rainbow card right now. So he's already inside my rainbow card, I could tell. So I better start the engine then. So he's going to give you a very short introduction about Last Lone Wolf. Okay.
KFI is bold and everybody knows that niggas for men can't be used as a whole. What the fuck is niggas so different is I don't know. It's all so booty now this niggas trying to
Thank you for having me, sir. Plus I'm your biggest fan and messaged in playtime of kitesurfing and playtime of Neferpitu Mikey. I'm fully prepared to squash my beef with you guys, and I dislike Last Lone Wolf still.
That's wonderful. So let's find out what Lacey is up to now. Anything you gotta say to this about Last Lone Wolf?
Well, Lasty might be the laziest man ever existed. Like he's playing Baldi Basic while he's at work in London while I'm in Leeds getting ready to lock in.
Lacey, never heard of it. So you wanna watch the video about NPLAYTIME of Kite Surfing & NPLAYTIME of Neferpitu Mikey's live stream alongside with Last Lone Wolf?
Yes, I would love to. And also in playtime of kitesurfing and playtime of Neferpitu Mikey also commented on my post, and said that we are ready to squash the beef and become friends. Well, it looks like Lasty has zero chance of getting his act right.
That's good news for you. So let's begin now.
Peace and quiet, while we're at Darbone, Doctor, and in playtime of Cape Verde's house. Well, we wish them well.
Let's watch some TV to keep us company.
Fucking no room, I do fucking good, so hang in that room. Pass me the gas, I'm finna get higher. Don't need a test, I know she a liar. Niggas dumb as hell, they don't got no bread but won't bail. They don't fucking nobody but won't mail. Don't send me your tape, it won't sell. No, I'm sorry, ho, that I couldn't be your Romeo. Cause you were too focused on Julio. Hey, now I'm too fucking no room, I do fucking good, so hang in that room. Pass me the gas, I'm finna get higher. Don't need a test.
UK life, well at least we left for good.
Well, it looks like we turned ourselves into a meme, the girl version of us.
working, it's working. She said she a virgin, it's hurting.
Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin, it's hurting.
Got up on my Birkin, it's working. She said she a virgin,
It's hurting.
She it's girl, but he said she girl, girl, mama, but I.
Family tree, it's all love, mate.
Hey, look at that. It's our best friend, Last Lone Wolf, doing a resume.
Niggas be hating, I really don't care. Niggas be hating, I really don't care. I really don't care.
Good news, Last Lone Wolf has invited us to join his Two-Face leadership live stream while he was at work in London.
Okay then, let him add us then.
Please. People working still. Lessons going on. Not well. No, but we've got a lot of tours that we're today with. So there's new students coming in. How are you getting on with your work? When you managed to get 3 minutes? Okay. I'll pop over shortly. Finish some of them.
Haha. Too slow.
Never. Never, ever, ever.
Why are you not getting inside of your office? I'm gonna realize that it's dumping all the files from the drive to the ship.
Yeah. Look at this.
Stay there. Stay there. Haha, that's good.
Get me to Bradford.
Three. 8, 2, 10. Wait. 36.
Honestly, I'm just thinking of now expanding my short story just to get enough people.
Ah, good.
Just to remind you, it's more like a second person.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Ah, good.
So you've got your location back there. What else have you got here? Until and then that's it. You feel you're edit. Old high school tends to visit.
I've got 3 minutes.
I mean, I'd rather a bottom like.
Ah, right. I know there are some a few groups around and about.
How many submission next week? Have you got this submitted by next week, or is it this week?
If you buy that.
The actual deadline is not for another couple of weeks.
Oh, so that's
but, what I want to do is try and give them time to revise. So I can give them revision time to finish this week.
So really,
otherwise they're still
Is it okay if I go pay for this AMC? Y'all's, I had my old high school.
Are they here now?
They did say they were here on Tuesdays in the art facility.
Ah, right.
Oh, yeah.
Bob enough to give them this now.
Actually, folder, it's good. Slides, storyboard. That's your like your production slides, is it? That one, yeah, and your pitch separate, yeah, which I've seen already. In your video, right, you name those three. Somewhere.
If you know, technically it's hard to get forward, isn't it?
Is this is where what you film yourself, yeah? Yeah, so you need to name those pictures in some form, and then go on here, you go to share and copy link, and that is that link that you're then handing in. Okay? Are we getting anything done?
Yeah.
You've been here nearly half an hour and I haven't seen the computer go on yet.
Well, I logged in and I got given a script and I got nothing.
You had the time to do what?
Yeah.
Can we on print screen?
Well, you seem like you're really doing minutes. I don't get on, mate. Just in the last stage. Like that. You get on.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Too much to do. Absolutely too much to do.
I have lots to do my script.
You only have to finish when you can film it.
Either today or tomorrow.
And then when you can finish everything when the deadline's tomorrow.
Deadline tomorrow?
You want any revision time, is there? I mean, if you want to keep coming in, no, you have to. What I mean is, you will need to keep coming in until you finish it. So that's what I say. Coming in, I mean, like, yeah, as often as you have to do it, yeah. Well, you're not coming in very often, mate. So I don't know more stories. Just keep going. But if you want to go do that, Harry, you go do that. But time will run away with you.
Well, I need you to follow
I'm trying to
for the first scene.
Lock in.
Lock in. We're locking in the game. Absolutely, aren't we? We're locking in.
So right click on the and then go to okay, and now just select the audio.
No. Wait.
If you want to see it, at the moment that will be covered by those two key. Drag it up. Drag it up, it'll add another, it will add another
Sunday had a later use of them. My parents were going out in the town for some reason.
No. Wait.
Team would be Oh yeah. You know, Jim, I went to a concert this weekend.
You went to a concert this weekend?
Yeah.
Who you with?
I went with my friend Nancy, and we went to see.
Wow.
We went to see a famous band called Chase Atlantic.
Awesome.
Yeah.
No.
Really hard. For some reason, it was so fierce. Obviously, it was I don't know football that well, but it was the one with the light blue. Yeah. And for some reason, they're like people who are like the people standing by the thing to like tell you which gate to go into for the concert, they were in blue. And the people for like Man City, they were in like red. And Chase Atlantic was like to colour coordination in like red.
No, we do not. We always take off boots. Yeah.
It's worse when they're having protocol right now, though. Yeah, I feel like we couldn't hear the football game, but I was wondering if they could hear us. Yeah. Because obviously he like got us to scream and stuff.
Andy,
I've added the link to Twitter.
update
this because I didn't. I went on there to do it.
No.
And I
Yeah, if you've added the link, yeah, anything you update will just update anyway.
So I'll just hand it in.
Yeah, so you can click hand in.
You know how we need a slogan?
They actually then did message for down.
Need a what, sorry?
A slogan.
Yeah.
Explain the situation.
Can it be on a screen or do I have to say it?
Either.
Like I can type it out and just put it on the screen.
Yeah.
Be like,
Yeah, you can have it typed. Yeah. You can, and it doesn't have to be one that you've come up with. It could be one that they already have.
Okay. But it doesn't need to be like said.
No. It could be it could be just text. It could be a graphic. It could be however you want it. Yeah.
Yeah, we even, that's the thing, but sometimes we forget a lot where we just freaking want to kill each other.
So we're all done.
Yeah, the only issue that I do
So,
like, not only did I
when,
keep saying,
what have we got
brothers
next week?
aren't
Is it
supposed to
maths
fight,
first?
we
Oh, you don't, right, you've only got English to work towards. Message me if you want. And just ask her if there's things she can set you.
Stop! All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high.
Don't know what I find, don't know what I like. Let me show you what I'm feeling. All the colors I see inside of my mind. All these chemicals I'm breathing.
All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take me sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you take
here. Got new items.
Don't know what I want, don't know what I like. Let me show you what I'm feeling. All the colors I see is out of my mind. All these chemicals I'm breathing.
And then you can just make that as long or as short as you want it. Yeah. But yeah, do it from within there. Don't know why it won't allow you to bring a black image in though. But anyway, that's how you do it, because you don't really want a still image. You want a black piece of black video.
Yeah. Okay.
Stop! All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you took the sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you took the sky high. All night till I see the sunlight. When I look in your eyes, yeah, you took the sky high.
Don't know what I want, don't know what I like. Let me show you what I'm feeling. All the colors I see is out of my mind. All these chemicals I'm breathing.
First is Scorpion.
Waiting.
It just doesn't
All the way
work.
down the
His
street.
family keeps dying.
Good.
That's when he learns that there were other titans.
Right.
I want it to be like elongated. Why is it not elongated?
So Scorpion's deciding
Why can't I do
he's
it?
going to kill them.
Yeah.
Just
Do you know how to make it so that it goes across the screen instead of like that?
Right now.
bed for new cycle.
Instead of like how it's got like it on top of each other, like it's like a one segment.
He's using out Chronica promised how he would make his plans to do this in his plans. But she made that promise. So he did. He betrayed her before she betrayed him.
It's only okay, so it's like 2
He now
minutes.
decides that he will basically
It's like 2 minutes, but it'll be fine because I'll be able to make the outfit. About 63 minutes.
You're
Right?
just going ahead and say that the whole is done. And even says that he has many names. So now he has to be dead. Destroy him. That is actually a line that he says as well. Then there's a Barak. Because like there happened before, like what happened in
Do I not like?
they made.
Oh.
This was reverted to they now have 3 times. So there's the original time which is
Edit and
yeah. There's the alternate
So you don't
time,
ask Tyler.
No, I know how to do it. It's just like
and now there's the new time.
it's one of them things where like you press
So
the
in
wrong
this
thing
alternate
and
time, Barak, this whole thing was MK11, that's every other thing, just regular kids and that. MKX gets killed off. Or 11 gets brought back. It's like what his story is, what his ending is. With the now power of a Titan.
Why the fuck did I think of that? What the hell?
Share it with other Tarkans. They will
Thank you.
own slaves.
That should be alright.
Yeah.
Take over
Thank
every
you.
realm. And imply that they have not
Stop
run out
hating.
of
You don't know how to do that.
How do you change the text colour? You go on
Even
text
shows Barak the last day.
and then you highlight it.
You see on the sidebar, you should just pushes the colours through.
I just need to find out they're relatively
I'm too blind for this shit.
We're back up in a sec, guys. I'm just nipping downstairs.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
You're fired!
Lasty got fired from his job for playing video games at work. Well, hopefully, he learned his lesson not to play video games on a job.
Well, he might find another job, or he's not ready enough to locked in, but oh well, time to end the live stream now.
She's mine! You stay away from her!
In results, the Kribbaby Siren Head Coconut Crabs are getting a 10 out of 10 from us. No wait. How about 8,448 Infinity out of 10? 'Cause we approve this. And as for Lasty, he's getting a 0 out of 10, because he's suck at everything.
KFI is bold and everybody knows that niggas forehead can't be used as a pole. What a foot is niggas so they were this I don't know. It's all what's so booty now this niggas tryna
That is the funniest bars you ever come up with. This should be fun.
Well, that is all for my rainbow card right now. Thank you for listening to us. Ampersand again. Shout out to Beer Bear again. So see you next time, folks. Bye for now.
I'm the alpha, I'm the leader, I'm the one to trust. Together we do whatever it takes, we're in this pack for life. We're wolves, we own the gun.